Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. Today I'm at Mississauga DriveTest Centre and I want to take you to route number 2. I recorded already route number 1 and I gave my tips because the speed limit changed in 2 locations. So that's why I recorded this video again. So I parked my car in reverse when the examiner is asking let's go to the left. So shift the gears to drive, signal left, check all around and creep up a little bit and then turn to the left. So guys, if you have road test in Mississauga, you must watch both routes because sometimes they are taking you to route number 1, sometimes they are taking you to route number 2. If route number 1 is busy, they are taking you to route number 2. Route number 2 is shorter because we are going Hoare, Ontario, exit Mavis Road, then again join freeway, again exit to Hoare, Ontario. Check when you approach here, slowly, don't rush, come to the complete stop, check left, right, and go. So here you don't have a speed sign, you can go maximum 50. Check rear view, right, signal, blind spot to the right. They are taking you to the right. They are taking you to any of this street, but mostly they are taking you to the right. Come to the complete stop, check left, right, left again, then come to the first right lane. Yes. If you don't have a speed sign in this street, you can go maximum 50. Anytime you are turning, if you have a stop sign, you must come to the complete stop. One rolling stop is fail. Even you do everything perfect, they can fail you easily with one rolling stop. So check your speed regularly. In this area, he is not talking with you alone. For this moment, it's called driving alone. When it's driving alone, you need to check rear view, left, right regularly. Basically, their expectation is every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds is too much. But if you check every 10 to 15 seconds, that is okay. They are human, they know. So once you approach here, he's asking you lane change to the left, rear view, left mirror signal, blind spot to the left, and come to the left. Regularly check your speed. So he will ask you traffic light, left turn, rear view, left mirror signal, blind spot to the left. From the broken white line, we can go to the left. So the traffic light is green, I can go at the middle. I come at the middle, there is no car, no pedestrian, I can turn to the left. Once you turn to the left, you need to switch to the right. Mirror signal, blind spot to the right. Don't change immediately in a very in a slow speed. So he is asking to the right, turn to the right, mirror signal, blind spot to the right. Be careful about the pedestrian. If the pedestrian crossing, you cannot cross. See, the pedestrian is crossing. I need to wait, okay? So he crossed, check the right again and turn to the right. This is Hoare, Ontario Street. The speed limit is 60. So you can go 57, 58, 59 is the best speed. Check regularly your left and right. This construction will not finish, especially in Hoare, Ontario. Check left, right. So anytime you are approaching to the intersection, you need to check pedestrian light from the far. With that, you can take the decision to slow down or go. Once you cross this intersection, then he's asking you, we are going to the right. So check left, right. So he's asking go to the left, 401 west, mirror signal, blind spot, and come to the acceleration lane. Once you approach here, turn off your signal. That speed is optional. You can increase your speed. It is 66. I can increase more, 77, because it's getting straight ahead. I saw another car is joining also on the left side, so I can join in front of this. Mirror signal, blind spot to the left. I suppose to signal a little bit early, okay? You guys signal a little bit early. Because I was talking, I forgot. This lane is also ending. Mirror signal, blind spot to the left. Now my speed is 90, 92, 95, 96. Check blind spot and join. Very safely join. Mostly they are not asking any more lane change. So if they are asking, you can do that. If they are not asking, stay here. So now speed is again 77 because of the traffic which is in front of me. The vehicle he is going slow, I can't go fast. Regularly check. Once you approach here, he is asking your exiting movies, rear view, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right. We need to turn on the signal. So while exit, the speed should be the same. Now another vehicle is in front of me, my speed is 70. If this vehicle wasn't here, so I was exiting the speed of 90, 95. 95 is the best. So this speed is also optional. You can go 60, you can go more than that. He's asking lane change to the left, rear view, right mirror signal, blind spot to the left, and come to the left. Turn off your signal, again mirror signal, blind spot to the left, because one mirror signal was to do lane change. This mirror signal is for the left turn. So while turning, you need to check blind spot again. 2 lane is going second lane to second lane, check and come to the second lane. If you go to the third lane, they can fill you. So I'm doing lane change, mirror signal, blind spot to the right. This lane change he is asking you, okay? Turn off signal, again mirror signal, blind spot to the right, and come to the right. Turn off your signal. Once you approach here, you need to turn off your signal. You cannot turn on your signal while turning in the ramp. People, they say where I should turn on the signal while joining freeway. So there is a yellow line. Once it's finished, we can turn on. Highway is busy. From here, I can check it. Rear view mirror, left mirror, signal, blind spot. So I need to target a car. There is too many vehicles here. So I have 300 meters. So I need to target a vehicle and join. I can't go to the end, because if I go to the end, if the people don't give me any way to join, so I cannot join at that time. So when the traffic is busy, you need to do this. If the traffic is not busy, you need to join in a speed of 100 or 95 is the best, which I like. Regularly check your left, right. So this car is joining. I saw them, I let them join. He don't have to come to the end. If you come join to the end, that is fail. If he's asking lane change to the left, do it. If it is so busy, they are not asking. So I'm doing the lane change in the busy time. Look how I'm doing. Mirror signal, blind spot to the left. I turn on the signal, but I'm waiting. And also I'm watching my front vehicle. I can't get too close to the front vehicle. Anyone who give me, I can go, otherwise I can't. That vehicle is in my blind spot. I can't be way too long. So now I can go. I have enough distance. I can go to the left. Once you turn off your signal. Check. So if they are asking you to switch your lane to the right, so we need to do that. Check rear view, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right. The Jeep is 4, I can go to the right. Once you come, turn off your signal. When it is busy, be careful, don't get close to the other vehicle. So here he will ask you, we are exiting Hore, Ontario, rear view mirror, right mirror, signal, blind spot. So 2 lane is exiting. If he's asking stay here, you're gonna stay here. If he's not asking, so you need to lane change to the right. Both lane is going. Mostly they are not asking. So it is quite busy. I'm doing lane change to the right just to avoid this traffic. Mirror signal, blind spot to the right. I can go to the right. Check regularly. While exiting, the speed should be the same. This vehicle is in front of me. I can go fast. Check. Don't go too close. Now I can go. And push the gas because still it is highway. Now it is clear. I need to increase my speed. Signal. Check. Exit. Once you approach here, turn off your signal. He will ask you, we are exiting Hoare, Ontario. So mirror, signal, blind spot. We need to do the lane change because 2 lane is going to the left. We should be on the left one. So when you stop, when you are behind the traffic light, you need to check left, right, don't pause in one point. Again, this is 2 lane. From second lane to second lane you need to go. Construction area. Second lane to second lane. Speed is 50. So while stopping behind another vehicle, you must see 2 tires and a little bit small. I stop a little bit far because this is huge vehicle. That's why I stop a little bit far, not too close. So in construction zone, they have 0 tolerance. Whenever you see construction pylons, or some people they say construction cones, so you need to follow the speed limit. If the speed limit change from 60 to 50, you need to go 50. If you go 53, they can fill you. Check the intersection left and right. So we are doing a lane change. He will ask you lane change, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and smoothly come to the left. So this vehicle is doing left turn. Check the intersection. Some people did drive with one hand. Don't drive with one hand. Driving with one hand is fair. So once you approach here, he is asking you traffic light, left turn, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and come to the left. So guys, whenever pedestrian crossing, some people they say pedestrian cross half of the way I can go. No, my friend, you cannot go unless there is a fence at the middle. This is so wide intersection, so there is no extra signal at the middle. If there is extra signal at the middle for the pedestrian, yes, at that time you can go. But there is only two signal. One is on the right side, one is on the left. At this time you cannot go. Pedestrian should cross 100%. I honk it because the light is green. The guy, he is waiting. I don't know what he's doing. So once you turn to the left, speed is 60, right mirror, rear view mirror, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right. We need to switch to the right. Then he is asking traffic light, right turn, rear view mirror, right mirror signal, blind spot to the right. My light is green. Anytime it might change to red. It's green, check blind spot and turn to the right. Once you turn, increase your speed. Speed should be 45, 46, 47. Keep check your speed. Sometimes here the speed increase. So be careful about the speed. Too many people they fail due to increasing their speed or due to going too slow. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That's the only thing I need from you. It will help me a lot. So he will ask you lane change. So we will do the lane change after this entrance. Check rear view mirror, right mirror signal, blind spot. The car is coming so fast, I need to let them go. Oh, the other one is slower. I can go to the left. So here is the most important. He will ask you are turning to the left. Very short area to left turn. Mirror signal, blind spot to the left. From this broken lane you can go. You can see this broken. You cannot go from white solid line, or you cannot go from the left. Signal check. So here is busy now. I need to check. So I can before that car, before the truck, so I can go to the left. Once you come to the left, automatically without any signal, come to the right side. Don't drive at the middle. Check regularly. If there is a bike, if there is a pedestrian, be careful, don't go on them. So once you come here, they are asking you go do the they are asking you front parking on the right side, on the left side. I'm going to the left side again. Mirror signal, blind spot to the left. I'm turning here. So this time I'm doing front parking. This time also I'm doing to the left. That is easier for me. Once you stop, shift the gear to park. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't watch route number 1, you must watch route number 1, because over 90% they are taking you to route number 1. If route number 1 is busy or construction or anything happened, they are taking you to route number 2. Thank you so much for watching and have a great time.